Kratos Defense and Security Solutions is a key player in the defense industry. The company specializes in weapons and military electronics. Its headquarters are located in San Diego, California. Kratos serves the U.S. federal government as a primary customer. They also provide services to foreign governments. Commercial enterprises are among their customer base. State and local government agencies utilize Kratos expertise. The company is structured into 6 distinct divisions. Kratos participates in Pentagon initiatives investing in Silicon Valley businesses. The company was originally founded as Wireless Facilities Incorporated, WFI. WFI initially focused on building telecommunications infrastructure. In 2004, the company shifted its focus to the U.S. government. The U.S. Department of Defense became its primary customer. From 2004 to 2009, Kratos acquired several federal services companies. These acquisitions included public safety firms and professional services firms. High Technology Solutions, HTS, was one such acquisition. HTS specialized in communication systems engineering. Madison Research, MRD, provided engineering and IT services. Haberstick Consulting offered engineering and program management. SIS Technologies delivered IT products and wireless communication systems. Their customers included the Department of Defense. The Department of Homeland Security was also a customer. Digital Fusion, Inc., DFI, was another key acquisition. In September 2007, the company officially became Kratos Defense and Security Solutions. Integral Systems merged with Kratos in July 2011. Integral Systems provided data handling services for space-based platforms. They supported military, government, and commercial clients. Integral Systems employed approximately 800 people. They operated from 14 different locations. Integral Systems had 6 subsidiaries. Lumistar provided telemetry products for various computer buses. NewPoint Technologies managed communications infrastructure. RT Logic developed signal processing systems. SAT Corporation later became CVG Incorporated. CVG Incorporated offered satellite-based communication services. In February 2019, Kratos purchased Florida Turbine Technologies. Technical Directions Incorporated, TDI, was acquired in February 2020. TDI is a manufacturer of small turbojet engines. TDI is based in Detroit, Michigan. Kratos operates facilities across the United States. Many employees are engineers and technical specialists. The workforce includes program managers and business development professionals. Skilled manufacturing technicians also contribute to the company's success. Kratos is known for its high-performance, jet-powered unmanned aerial systems. These drones serve as realistic targets for military training exercises. The company develops advanced satellite communication systems. Kratos also specializes in directed energy weapons. The company's financial performance is publicly reported.